section there, guys, of folks, new subscribers and watchers of dirt bike, of off-roading there on the XT660R. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, with Delkevic. Thank you, guys.
Hallelujah! Holy shit!
It's showtime.
Oh, the XT, this legendary Enduro, is about to go through a massive transformation. Here we are going to unlock even more potential power from the engine, unlock the potential torque that's extra on top of what's already there. I know Yamaha did the best that they could, and they did build their factory exhaust system, which you can hear the pulses coming from the engine in the air. But the factory system is so restrictive, and is actually taking away horsepower. I kid you not, folks. Yamaha's factory system is taking away horsepower and torque.
What the f***?
And you know, that's the thing. What we're about to do, folks, is make with the XT660R what she was in Japan, the first prototype, the first actual ready for production, what she was supposed to be before all the fucking emissions and reduced noise and reduced emissions and quietness and resonators and bullshit.
What? You fuckers. You fuckers.
That came along that actually zapped what this engine is supposed to be.
Goddamn.
And we're
right.
bringing her back to what the engine is supposed to be like. Oh yes, folks, that's what we're doing here at Luke Rides. We're bringing her back. Oh yes, I'm so excited. I'm even going to show you a clip of what this factory Yamaha XT, of what removing the exhaust systems can do for the Yamaha XT660R.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Sounds the XT660R is about to make. Guys, you're gonna hear this legendary Enduro bang, bang, pop, pop. Make her pulses in the air, make her sound, that massive single cylinder engine, make her sing, be the natural engine she was supposed to be before restrictions took away all of her noise. If you listen closely to the XT660R and you're lucky enough to hear this legendary Enduro in the flesh, you can hear through the factory exhaust system that there is a big engine in there, as you can hear the pulses coming through the air around you, and the burble and presence that she makes that is indicative of a big powerful engine. Well, the XT is about to have all of that, and she's about to sing, be unleashed, and is gonna make a fuck ton more noise. Yeah, that's a byproduct. I want that. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Ah! I tell you, the XT660R just tried to pull a wheelie. We're talking about a single cylinder engine here. Oh, boot it! Wow! Pretty fast, isn't she? Gotta admit, that's some very good performance out of a single cylinder engine. That's pretty good. There'll be even more performance once we take those annoying Yamaha cans out of this motorcycle. And that is the thing, guys, life is too short to play, how do you put it, life is too short to have to live with what the manufacturers just give us out the box, because you know that they wanted to do more with their motorcycle. You know that they wanted to increase her noise, increase power, increase torque. And the fact the ready production machines that we have motorcycle wise, they are neutered and they are held back from what they're supposed to be. And the manufacturers like Kawasaki, like Ducati, like BMW actually must feel a bit sad. A bit sad to have to do that to their own engineering, to their own motorcycles. But this XT is no longer going to be the factory restricted XT. No, she's going to be booming XT, boomies. Oh, she's going to make the loveliest of noises, and I can't wait to show you guys the change, the drastic change for the XT660R. Life is too short, guys. Life is too short.
You're a good man.
Excited, guys, for this massive upgrade to that beastie over there. Yes, guys, this exhaust system is going to make that Enduro, that sexy Enduro over there, pop, bang, and make the noises that that engine was designed to make, was designed to broadcast, was designed to sing. And soon at Luke Wright, you're about to see that with an XT, the legendary Yamaha XT660R, and what that engine truly should sound like without the bullshit catalytic converter, the bullshit resonators, all the restriction and the pipework, those big heavy cans. This XT is about to be what she should have been from the factory for green hugging lovers, and assholes that hold back on motorcycles took over. And it's going to be exciting. I can't wait. For all these years that I've had the XT660R, this means that she is going to sound incredible, and it's going to be exciting. You're going to see that at Luke Rides. And I'll catch you in the next episode at Luke Rides. Catch you later, folks. Bye.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.